guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video, as I told you, I was going to show you, rather to teach you on how to make a rag from the comfort of your home, you guys. So guys, we only need 3 materials for you to get a rag. Okay, so actually 4 materials, yeah. So the first thing you need is this rag. You need this rag over here. It's called a tapestry mat. You need iron. This one over here, you need iron. You need a crochet. I will recommend this one because it's easier. It has a hook over here. I hope you can see. I'm going to show you how it's used. I recommend this because it makes your work easier and faster. You need a scissors, you know, to cut your yarn and any mess you will find, you guys. So guys, without any further ado, I want to go straight to the video and teach you on how to make this rag. So guys, I had already cut my mat. As you saw earlier, I had a big one, so I have cut into these sizes. So I got 4 pieces from the one I bought. You need to know which side is the inside part and which one is the outside part. The inside part is a bit rough and the outside part is a bit smooth. You can see that, right guys? Yeah. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to remove this. Then I need to check where my yarn is so that I can't spoil it. It's over here, I guess. Yeah, here we are, you guys, right? So guys, at the moment we don't need the scissors, so I will put it aside, but you're going to see where I am going to use the scissors, yeah. So this is your yarn, guys. This is your yarn and this is your crochet. This is your tapestry mat. So all you need to do, guys, you're going to insert your crochet in this hole here. Then you bring it up like that. You take your yarn, you place it like this. Then you put it in here. You close the hook like that, then you pull it behind. You pull it behind here. You see, guys? Yeah. After that, you open your crochet, the hook. You put this small part, this one over here. You put it in here. Then you pull it back as well, and then you're going to pull it like this. Now you have tied your mat. It's not going to run. That helps you to tie the mat. So guys, this method I'm going to show you, it's my new method and it's a faster one. We have different ones, so this is the first one. I'm going to show you the second one in the next mat, you guys. So all you need to do is repeat the same process. So in the second hole, you're going to insert your crochet. You take it forward, right guys? You take it forward, you put your yarn like that, you close the hook, you pull it back, you lift it up to the size you want. You can make to the size of the rag you want, you guys. You can pull it higher or pull it like down, because this one is too big for me. I don't think I need this size, so this is the size I need, you guys. So you're going to repeat the same process.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned.
Close the knot as well, make a knot. So all I need to do is just do the same as well. I just take it back, I make it the normal knot, then I open the hook, I place my yarn, I take it back like this, you guys. I pull it down. So this is the yarn, right? This is the yarn, and this is the one which is crossing the hook. So I'll just take my scissors and cut on this side. Okay, so, and I remove this. So I will repeat the same procedure, you guys.
Give out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So guys, we are at the final touches. We have finished knitting the mat, and now all I need to do, you can actually leave your mat at this point, you just revel it, but for me I love it being shaggy, so I'm going ahead with my scissors to cut the insides into two, you guys. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope you are going to enjoy. I don't know, comment down below, let me know, like, how will you like your mat to look like, the way it is right now or after cutting? Let me know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine.
Now guys, I'm going ahead and level the mat. As you can see, it has some parts a bit high, and some yarns are outside, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm using my scissors to cut and level my mat.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Finally, the mat is ready, and guys, as you can see, I'm stepping on it. To be honest with you, it feels comfortable, and the fact that it's fluffy, my highlight of the day. The color, something else, you guys. So in case you need a doormat, bedside mat, kitchen mat, toilet mat, let me know in the comment section. Actually, I can do that according to the color of the yarn you want. Let me know in the comment section. We can do business. And if you have watched until this point, thank you so much. May God bless you. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and let's get to 2,000 subscribers, you guys. So guys, until my next video, bye.